Travel Meniyawa. Explore the beauty of the paradise. Hello everyone, we are Travel Meniyawa and today we are heading to Garadigini Falls. This place is truly special, filled with breathtaking beauty and unique experiences. First, we'll be heading to the city of Nuwara Eliya. Nuwara Eliya is one of the most picturesque and charming towns in Sri Lanka, known for its cool climate and scenic beauty. We are currently in the city of Nuwara Eliya, and from here we're going to travel to Delta Gamunupur. Now we're passing through the Ramboda Tunnel. This tunnel was built in 2008 and is considered one of Sri Lanka's significant infrastructure projects. It's about 225 meters long, 7 meters high, and wide enough for 2 vehicles to pass at the same time. What's special about this tunnel is that it cuts right through the mountain. When you enter, it feels a bit dark, but once you come out, you're greeted with stunning views all around. Driving through this tunnel is definitely one of the most unique and memorable parts of our journey. Finally, we've reached here, and this is the famous Garadigini Falls. The height of the waterfall is about 30 meters, and the water flow is truly stunning. From here, you can also see the Ramboda Falls and the Kautmail Reservoir, adding to the breathtaking view we're enjoying. All right, that brings us to the end of our journey. The beauty of Sri Lanka always brings us new and exciting experiences. And through Travel Meniya, you get to enjoy every bit of it too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. That way, we can meet again on another amazing journey.